So in this series we'll learn about the important tags and elements of DHTML. This tutorial is about string handling in DHTML. In this tutorial we will learn how to measure the length of a string and use some of the string handling functions in DHTML using JavaScript. So let's get started. First, we start with document HTML. Then inside script we are specifying JavaScript as a scripting language. So first we'll display the length of a particular string to the user. So first of all we are defining a variable called x. Value of x is a string which is DHTML. DHTML has a method of string.length which returns the length of a particular string. So variable length is equal to x dot length. Then we are writing it down onto the document using document.write method. The length of the string is, then we are using concatenation operator and concatenating the length of the string. Then again we are using document.write to provide a line break. Our next method is character@. method. It returns a character at a particular position. This method is zero based method. So variable ch is equal to x dot character at 0. So it will return the character at 0th position. In this case it should return D. So we are writing the output using document.write character at 0th position is concatenating it ch. Then document.write and then providing a line break. Next method is index of method. This method is also zero based method. This method returns an integer specifying the position of a particular character, where pos is equal to x dot index of. Here we are getting the index of L. As it is zero based method, it should return 4 not 5 as the position of L. Then outputting it, the position of L is concatenating it pos. Then we are ending JavaScript tag and head. Inside the body we are writing some basic stuff like this is first tutorial of DHTML. Then closing all the tags. You should not forget to save the file at the end. Now preview this file into a web browser. Here. So this is the output. The length of string is 5, character at 0th position at D. The position of L is 4 as expected. So this was the basic tutorial in the DHTML string handling. Thank you.